You fools! I finally have you all under my control. And all it took was the power of television and a charmingly hypnotic robot.
I don't find him particularly charming.
I don't like to brag. I love to brag! And using the television antenna to broadcast dream-controlling mind waves was a work of brag-worthy brilliance.
It's a shame you're too humble to bring it up.
The mind control began slowly, thanks to Dreamcaster's hypnotic commands, but it's now in full effect. Observe! Ow! Ow! You weren't affected by Dreamcaster's control because you're the only one in town without a TV! What's wrong with you? What do you do on Saturday mornings? A town full of sleepwalking minions is nice, but an entire planet full is better. Begin construction of the Super Slumber Satellite! Hypnotized minions! This is a glorious day! For me. For you, not so much. My evil influence will no longer be limited to this small village, but will spread to small and mid-sized villages all over the planet. I just want to point out they're not applauding because they're zombies, not because they're unimpressed.
Duly noted.
When my plan is complete, Dreamcaster will broadcast worldwide, and I'll be unstoppable! And it all begins with just a press of this button. And then a flick of this switch. Then I gotta enter my key code here. Scan my thumbprint. Swipe my ID badge. And finally, fast. What part of that process seemed fast to you? Curses! A tinfoil hat! The only surefire way to protect from mind control! No matter, I still have my unstoppable army of sleepwalkers. Zombies, attack! So much for my mind control scheme. It's pretty clever, Orbot. When we get back to the lair and...
Hi! I'm King K. Rool. Hi! I'm King K. Rool. Hi, I'm King K. Rool. Hi, I'm long with the king. Long live the king. Long live the king. I am the king. I am the king. That's... Why do we take this question? It's me? Why do we take this question? It's me, of course. Why do we take this question? I'm the king. What a big question. I'm the commander. I'm the commander. I am the commander. What a ridiculous question. I am the Kremlin commander. What a ridiculous question. I am the Kremlin. I'm the Kremlin commander. I'm the king of the Kremlins. I am the king of the Kremlins. I'm the king of the Kremlins. I am the king of the Kremlins. I am the king of the Kremlins. I am the king of the Kremlins. Hey! Oh! This is my finest tower. Why did I steal more? Wait. Why did I steal her hammer? Amy, why did I steal your hammer? Clump Crusher. Clump and Crusher. General Clump. Clump and Crusher. Clump and Crusher. Get over here. Get over here. Clump and Crusher. Amy.
If I wanted a hammer, I'd make one myself. This store-brand stuff tastes terrible. But an evil doctor without evil minions doesn't deserve name-brand cereal. Ah, my robots! They're coming back! I knew they wouldn't want to miss Crazy Hat Day. It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
Yeah! This is my finest tower. Yeah, here's the game, it's me, here's the game, it's me. Rool, Rool, Rool. This is my finest tower. Yeah, here's the game, it's me, here's the game, it's me. Rool, Rool, Rool. This is my finest tower. Yeah! This is my finest tower. Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. They're coming back! I knew they wouldn't want to miss Crazy Hat Day. It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day. Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
It's Crazy Hat Day, Crazy Hat Day.
I'm going to have Clump's hide for a new pair of boots. He's bringing me the fastest cart and he's still late.
Hi, I'm King Rool. King Rool.
Mr. Stockman, your interference has cost me the turtles, and Splinter should pay with your life.
I've designed a trap for the turtles, a foolproof trap. With friends here to lure them into it.
Very well. Consider those two at your disposal.
Didn't you listen to a thing
Karai, you have said your piece. Now you will do as I say.
One known as Shredder will never be getting that knowledge from Krang.
Let's try again. Why were you hunting the turtles? I have April O'Neil. Value her life. You will come and face me like a man. Soon you will be no more, and your own daughter will go through her life cursing your name.
I thought they'd finish me off. But you wouldn't let them do that, right, Father?
You were not to make any moves against the turtles until I return.
But I told you.
Disobedience comes with a stiff penalty, child.
Even for your daughter?
Especially for my daughter.
Master Shredder!
Do not let them escape, fools! Go!
How do I know you won't attack me as soon as I give you the helmet?
Of course I'm going to attack you. You returned even sooner than I expected. Foolish child. I taught you everything you know. You hold no surprises for me. This has gone far enough!
You lied to yourself so much you come to believe an entire dream!
Silence! I will let your friend go as a gesture of my love. But if you struggle, I will hunt her down and crush her into pulp. I can hear you. I can smell you.
Can you smell a rock?
Foolish child. This has gone far enough!
No! My lab!
You, Hamato Yoshi! You take this!
Where am I?
Your new home, mutant. Let us welcome you properly. It is time I end this experiment. The rat thinks like a man again. Now you will know when my blade is at your throat. Who sent you, spy? Soon you will be cured of this vile mutation. Isn't that right, Stockman? You had better arrive at a solution soon.
We have no equipment for such.
Now you will know when my blade is at your throat.
They care nothing for the human race.
Nor do I. Leave me, Tiger Claw.
He fights bravely.
He is young, overconfident, foolish.
Face me, Shredder!
You are beneath me, Turtle. I want to see him suffer. Now you may finish him.
Where is my son?
I take him like I took your child so many years ago.
Rage is a fuel that burns quickly.
Always the wise one. What wisdom do you have now? Now I will tear you to pieces. Fitting that your sons are here to see you fall. You continue to fail me in your search to find my daughter. You will find her or I will turn you both over to Tiger Claw. You are nothing to me. Stole my sacred helmet. Hunted my daughter. Your fates are sealed. You will either serve me or fall by my hand. Fail me, and I will introduce you to new forms of pain.
It will destroy you!
Master Shredder.
You look terrible, Bradford. Do not let them escape, fools! Go! It is time I end this experiment. I wish to know why Hamato Yoshi has come here. Perhaps to end his miserable existence. The Earth can be destroyed for all I care. I have finally won! Soon you will be cured of this vile mutation. Isn't that right, Stockman? You had better arrive at a solution soon.
We have no equipment for such work.
Then find me the equipment, you imbecile. Success is to be rewarded, as failure is to be punished. Now I will end this game, and your insignificance. You have spirit, boy, but I tire of this game. I have no time for idle threats, Turtle. Get this place cleaned up, and start again. Your own daughter will go through her life cursing your name. You returned even sooner than I expected. Foolish child.
My lab!
You, Hamato Yoshi. You take this! But if you struggle, I will hunt her down and crush her into pulp. I will pluck your wings like the lowly insect you are. Do not defy me again. The consequences would be unfortunate.
What is your lesson?
You've already failed. Your wounded leg is like a ball and chain dragging you toward defeat. You will do nothing else. Nothing.
Can't you just get another?
Do not fail me. I promise you the consequences will be dire. Why does the fly walk into the spider's web? Consider those two at your disposal. I took your family away, and now I can put an end to you. Oh, fitting. You're a rat who has been caught in my trap. Spent years molding you in my image. You shame me with your incompetence. I should have left you to rot in that prison where I found you. I need more soldiers. I need better soldiers, and I need them now.
How long have you been standing there?
Long enough to witness your failure. If he is not walking soon, you won't be either. Your interference has cost me the Turtles and Splinter to pay with your life.